Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be discussing the top 5 most efficient washing machines available in 2024. After extensive research and testing, I've curated a list of options tailored to various buyer preferences, whether it's about affordability, performance, or specific usage. For more details on the products mentioned, you can find links in the description below, updated to provide the best prices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive in. First up is the LG WM4000 HBA, chosen for its exceptional value proposition. This 4.5 cubic foot smart front-load washer from LG caters to those seeking optimal efficiency in their laundry routine. Its sleek design, including a durable tempered glass door with options for rose gold or chrome accents, not only enhances aesthetics but also offers modern convenience. Front-loading washers like the LG WM4000 HBA boast superior energy efficiency compared to top-loading variants, providing more effective cycles, water conservation, and efficient drying. With a capacity of 4.5 cubic feet and various wash cycles including options certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America, this washer is versatile and accommodating for different laundry needs. Next, let's examine the GE 27-inch top-load washer, a leading contender recognized for its energy efficiency and 12 wash cycles, including a sanitizing feature. Its quiet operation, soft hinges, and 4.8 cubic feet capacity make it suitable for families or larger loads, ensuring thorough cleaning and efficient stain removal. Moving on to the Electrolux 2.4 cubic foot compact front-load washer, projected to lead the front-load washer category in 2024. This washer, equipped with perfect steam technology, focuses on energy efficiency without compromising on cleanliness. Its compact size, balanced loads for quiet operation, and 12 unique wash cycles make it ideal for smaller spaces or apartments. Claiming the second spot is the LG 24-inch smart front-load washer, praised for its AI capabilities and advanced features. Despite its compact size, this washer offers a wide range of settings and can accommodate up to 12 pounds of laundry. Its integration with the Think app for remote control and smart adjustments makes it a versatile choice for various home layouts. Finally, the crown goes to Samsung's 6 cubic foot smart dial front-load washer, known for its dual washing capabilities and AI-powered smart dial interface. With features like super speed cycles and steam cleaning, it offers efficiency and versatility, allowing users to customize wash settings and control the machine remotely. And that concludes our roundup of the top 5 washing machines in 2024. If you found this information helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on our latest videos.